Dear Diary, in this vlog, I entered 2023 in New York City. Good morning. We're going to New York today. His new girlfriend from there, so I can hear. So this is definitely the dress we're gonna go with. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, the plant is always in the freaking way. It's cute when I'm trying to get my full body shot. It's like, right, so Uggs from Ugg, leg warmers from Aerie, bodysuit, Skims, and my Gap hoodie, and then I'm wearing this, oh, it's stuck in my hair. Soft locks are the worst thing if you have jewelry. I'm wearing this necklace I got from Etsy, and then this bracelet I got from like a small vendor. These I made, and this one right here I got from my boyfriend. And this is my Pandora bracelet, but I lost all the charms. But I got it when I was really young. My mom gave me a Pandora bracelet when I was too young to have it. But I'm packed. That's my mom's coat, so ignore that. But this is the purse I'm traveling with right here, my YSL, and then that's like my bag of clothes. I'm just gonna wear this leather pleather coat. So yeah, Trin and mommy. Make it for the car. I'm on my IPZ. I can't tell what my eyebrows look like. I'm gonna just start with concealer.
I really want to know what is that.
It sounds like a vacuum.
I'm doing it.
I got a vacuum cleaner in the back. Maybe that's it.
What this gonna do?
Give me a brush right in. I'm trying to help you.
I know.
It's probably gonna be the worst.
Probably not.
The most botched job I've ever done. We began our trek to New York City, and we were late to getting there because of my mom, because she's late everywhere. So I ended up having to do my makeup in the car, and I was so afraid that it was gonna look so bad because I was like using my iPad as a mirror and then my phone propped up, and I don't even know, I could barely see anything. Luckily I had did lash extensions that were so bad before, but I managed to get my makeup done, so that was really chill. And it was really funny because the car kept on bumping and it was just so chaotic. I literally didn't know what to do. And I was laughing at my cousin because my aunt gave him an edge brush to brush his hair, and I just thought that was the funniest thing because there was no way he was gonna be able to use that edge brush to brush his hair. She said to brush his hair with
Guys, though, what's up with those?
Come on.
When we finally got to New York, it was the driving was so bad, and then my aunt was trying to get over it, and so she was mad because this van wasn't letting her over. And then we finally ended up making it to the party. It was so packed, it was so crowded, it was so sweaty. It was a New Year's party though, even though I didn't exactly celebrate it on New Year's. So it was just a lot, but it was so fun to be around. And they ended up having this huge countdown with all this confetti and stuff, and that was so cute. That was so pretty. And I was just in awe. I probably won't ever go to this party again because it's not for my age group anymore. It's a high school party, but it was so fun. All I can say is I'm so grateful that I got to spend this time in New York City with people I love. This is our Uber. My sweet tea.
Yeah, why I found $20 bill in here. What you getting to drink?
I got a sweet tea. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello. This is about to be her life.
Yes, this is. You don't need to cry. I like your little braid.
Yes, vlog.
Sandra Bullock. That's who that is. Sandra Bullock? They ate right here? Oh, slay. Ocean 8. Okay. They filmed that here? Are you serious? They filmed Ocean 8 here. It was in New York? Yeah. Ooh, what a slay. That's why I love New York. We're off, guys. I forgot my pajamas, so